So picture this. According to the World Economic Forum conversation in 2016, Africa produces 130% of our food demand. But sadly, it still wastes 60% of the total production because of inefficient supply chains and lack of basic infrastructure. In Africa, informal retail is king. We get 80% of our daily nutrients from informal retail. So this means that our food system is supported by traders in open air markets and street food vendors. And that is where StoFresh comes in, because a lot of wastage happens at the market level. So our deal is to sell cold storage as a service to traders and aggregators in public markets. In return, traders and aggregators get to pay us 0.4 euros per crate per day to store their produce. You might be asking yourself, what is the market? Our Beachhead Market is the over 250,000 traders in Kenya who are sourcing from over 1 million fresh produce farmers, smallholder farmers. And in terms of value, this is a 4 million euro market. But our end goal is to get to the sub-Saharan Africa market. And this is an opportunity that is projected to be worth over $1 trillion euros by 2030. Our customer value proposition is simple. We're increasing the profits per crate for these traders by over 50%. And we're also increasing the ability to take in more inventory, thereby creating a market for smallholder farmers. You see, presently, traders are limited in the inventory that they take because they lack proper storage capabilities. Presently, also traders can only take up to 140 crates per week. But with StoFresh, we can increase this to up to 350 crates of fresh produce per trader per week. Our competitive advantage will be we're increasing the amount of sales for these traders, we're reducing the cost of operation. And since now traders only have to focus on selling and less about storage, we're also introducing scalability in the informal retail. Our product is twofold. Number one is the solar-powered mobile cold rooms, which enable traders to store their produce. But this is supported by a software that is able to offer traders with inventory management, as traders bring in produce and take out produce the next day. This transaction enables us to credit score these traders and thereby enabling embedded financing. You can think of StoFresh as the Airbnb for cold storage. So what was the customer discovery journey for us? Starting out, we thought that a lot of food waste happens at the farm gate level. And we thought that if we could come up with a solution that works, we could get farmers to pay. And that working with local governments would be extremely hard coming from Africa. But speaking to farmers and stakeholders in the value chain, we realized a couple of things. Number one, food waste is more prevalent in markets. Traders are willing to pay, and that partnerships are key to scalability. With this in mind, we project that our financials, we could do 4.5 million euros in profits 5 years from now. And the key drivers for us to achieve this milestone will be a reduced cost per crate for our customers, thereby increasing the number of crates each customer can store. And the holy grail for us will be the percentage occupancy of our cold storage units. What is our climate impact? We're reducing post-harvest losses and food wastage by up to 98%. And this is equivalent to over 1,000 barrels of oils burnt or 109 elephant months of CO2. You can also think of it as planting 24,000 trees. The team behind StoFresh are 3 children of smallholder farmers. We have Benaya Praise Pundi, who's a software engineering student at Moringa School, who's our product lead. Ivy Mboya handles our operation with a background in finance from the University of Nairobi. I handle business development, and we are supported by Engineer Jen Mutilili and Sir Richard Tracy as our advisors. Our dream is simple: to transform the lives of 100,000 smallholder farmers in Western Kenya by 2024. And this will enable us, we do this by working with 5,000 aggregators monthly and reducing post-harvest losses by 98%, achieving a 20 million euro valuation by 2030. Thank you.